You can have a 45-minute to 1-hour class, which can be integrated into residences, community centers. You can find places for yourself. It's possible to do shorter programs, 15, 20 minutes, 10 minutes. I've worked with people who are in Alzheimer's, dementia, Parkinson's a little, people who are in rehabilitation, who've had heart attacks or strokes. So there's many different ways in which this program can be integrated. I've even used it with people, primary care workers, in their meetings, where we start with the first 10 minutes, a tap and clap, to uplift spirits and to change the atmosphere and to bring joy and stimulate energy and conversation. So there's many ways for you to use this, I call it the magic little pill that uplifts seniors' spirits.